Hi, thanks for watching our Nerd Bytes video podcast series. We've shipped over 100 episodes since inception, covering all manner of weird and wonderful topics and features. New Relic continues to evolve and has recently undergone a brand refresh. As part of that, Nerd Bytes will be rebranding to Data Bytes and getting a bit of a facelift. The content will remain the same though. Short and sweet, easily digestible tips, tricks, and examples to help you get the most out of your observability journey. Our YouTube channel will be renamed, but all the links and feeds you're currently using should continue to still work. We'll just look a little bit different. So I hope you keep watching and find Data Bytes just as useful in your observability journey.